Dear Diary, today is a very special one. This is Dear Diary number 10. So I wanted this video to stand out from the rest. Over the next 3 videos, including this one, I'm going to be sitting here at my kitchen table. So today we are talking about what restoration has taught me. Restoration is the process of returning something to strength, wholeness, and purpose after it's been damaged, neglected, or broken. But spiritually speaking, restoration is God's work of healing, renewing, and transforming his people beyond their original state. It's not just fixing, it's renewing. It's not just healing, it's rebuilding. It's not about going back to who you were. It's about becoming who you were always meant to be. Restoration is slow. It is intentional. It is layered. It honors our past, repairs our present, and prepares us for what's ahead. So as I reflected over my own journey, there were 10 things that restoration taught me. The first thing is that restoration is possible, but it is a process. Now, there are some instances in life where you lose a job and then you get one, but generally it's a process, right? It's something that you have to put in the work for and put in the time for. The second thing that I learned is that what God restores is so good that it makes what you lost worth it. And as I'm sharing these things, I definitely want you to think about some things that God restored in your life. The third thing that I learned is restoration in one area fuels the desire for restoration in other areas. And next week, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to share one specific thing that God has restored in my life. The fourth thing is that courage and resilience is built through the process of restoration. The fifth thing that restoration has taught me is that you must face reality in today to receive restoration. So for example, if you are looking to be restored in your health or in your finances or in your relationships, you can't be oblivious to the current state because you have to have the knowledge to know what to take to the Lord in prayer and to say, okay, God, this is where I'm at. This is what I've had before. This is what I have today. And this is the desire for me for my future. The sixth thing is that restoration is a choice. And I love that. You can have something today, lose it. And if you don't want to get that something back, you don't have to. The seventh thing that restoration has taught me is that faith is necessary, but so is action. You can't just believe God for what you want and for your next without meeting him and putting in the work with him. Number 8 is that God's involvement is essential. Think of the story of Job. You can't lose something and think that you can get it back by yourself. The Bible says that God gives and that he takes away. And so I believe when God allows things to be taken from us, we have to recognize his involvement for us to get that thing back. Number 9 is that everything and everyone that you started with will not be with you when restoration occurs. You won't be the same person that you were when restoration occurs. When I think of myself prior to restoration, and then when I think of myself going through the process of having lost something, and then I think of myself on the other side of restoration, I am not the same. There were some things that died in me. There were some things that were refined in me. And I'm excited about the next couple of videos. It's going to be an illustration that I'm going to show you. Before I tell you the 10th and last thing, I want to make sure you know that I am going to be giving 5 complimentary coaching sessions when we reach 500 subscribers before December 31st. The 10th and last lesson that I will be sharing in this video that restoration taught me is that it was never about losing as much as it was about the process of changing me. So you know that we journal here, and I want to invite you for this week's journal entry. I want you to answer the question, what has restoration taught you? Oh, don't forget, you should know this by now, but maybe you're new here. My name is Charity Lachey. I invite you to subscribe. So here I release encouraging, healing content that is reflective and faith-based. If that is something that interests you, I encourage you to join us here on this journey. New time alert, new time alert, new time alert. It's going to be 12 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. So I want you to meet me here during your lunch break. Every Wednesday, midday, while you're eating lunch, you can catch a YouTube video for some encouragement. Until the next time, stay patient, stay present, and trust the process because restoration and beyond are possible. I'll see you next week. Bye.